Thanks for joining us today in the stunning hill country community of Ladera, located on the far west side of San Antonio. And I've got to tell you, today's home tour is actually a Good To Go Realty exclusive. Yes, we are the first ones allowed to tour this hot new luxury home right behind me. I'm Shane Tracy, your San Antonio luxury new build specialist. And what that means to you is that I work directly with top builders, giving my clients early access to premier home sites, off-market opportunities, and high-level incentives that aren't always publicly advertised. But more importantly, I represent you, because when you walk into a model home, remember, the builder's team is trained to maximize their profit. My role is to protect your investment, your time, and your leverage. From negotiating upgrades and pricing to navigating contracts and build times, every detail matters at this level. And I make sure nothing gets overlooked. So, before you visit your first model home, it's important to call or text me at the phone number above. I'll give you private insights, current availability, and a clear strategy to secure the right home on your terms. Luxury isn't just about the home, it's about how you get it. Let's make sure you get it right. Now, today, we're highlighting Perry Homes at Ladera. Here they offer 4 different series of homes, which includes their 40-foot series starting in the 430s, their 45-foot series starting in the 390s, then they're offering their 50-foot series starting in the 480s, and last but not least, their 60-foot series. This is a series that we're going to focus on today. These gorgeous homes start in the 580s. In fact, the model home behind me is in this series and is actually their largest floor plan in the 60-foot series. It is the 4016W floor plan, and today we are going to have an exclusive tour of this home. Yes, you heard that right. Good To Go Realty is the first to shoot video of this luxurious new home. But first, I have some things to share about this series and the community. The 60-foot series offers you a lot of space, from 2,400 to 4,100 square feet of living area. There are 1 and 2 story floor plans to choose from that have 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 full bathrooms, up to 1 half bath, and these floor plans come with a 3-car garage. And let's not forget, with these homes, you are definitely going to have a nice covered back patio for your outdoor living and entertaining. As far as the community of Ladera, you'll have the added convenience of the on-site Ladera Elementary School as part of the highly acclaimed Medina Valley ISD. This community also has a resort-style amenity center complete with a junior Olympic-sized pool featuring walk-in beaches, a covered pavilion with picnic tables, a sheltered park, an extensive trail system, and abundant green space to explore. Now, the location of Ladera provides easy access to shopping, with a new H-E-B just right up the road, a couple miles up Highway 211, dining, entertaining, along with stores like Costco, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, that are actually really close by, so you don't have to go that far to get to where you need to go. As far as your commute, Joint Base San Antonio Lackland is just a short drive away off of Highway 90. You're about 20 to 30 minutes away from downtown San Antonio, believe it or not, from this community. And with all of that out of the way, let's go check out this gorgeous new home. You ready? Let's go. Welcome to luxury living in this stunning 2-story home featuring a dramatic 20-foot rotunda ceiling with 4,016 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, elegant office, and formal dining. Every space impresses. The soaring family room showcases fireplace, windows, and flows into a chef's kitchen with oversized island, gas cooktop, butler's pantry, and walk-in pantry. Relax in the private primary suite with spa-inspired bath and dual closets. Upstairs, enjoy game and media rooms. Guests love the downstairs suite. Outside, unwind beneath the extended covered patio with mudroom beside the 3-car garage, completing this exceptional dream home. Enjoy the home. thanks for joining us for another awesome home tour. By the way, before I forget, go ahead and check out this phone number. You can call or text this phone number right here, and that way I can answer any questions for you, assist you in any way, create strategies, and even make sure that we're finding the right home for you, because that's what we're here for. I'm Shane Tracy, broker of Good To Go Realty, and your San Antonio new build specialist. I'm here to walk you through each and every step, and there are lots of them, believe me folks, but don't worry, we are here every step of the way, and even after you close, we will be here. So whether it is that you have a federal student loan debt that you're feeling is holding you back, we've got a solution. If you have a down payment assistance issue, we've got a solution for that. If you're a veteran, active duty, never used your VA home loan benefit, and don't even know where to start, guess what? We will walk you through it. We've got great solutions. No matter what it is, if you want to be a homeowner, we're going to walk you through the steps to making sure that we find the right home that fits your budget, that fits your lifestyle, and that fits the right side of town for you. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.